Good morning, everyone. So for this week, our activity is going to be involving reading the music notes on a music staff, which I drew for you right here. So before you do your activity, I want you to have this video to remind you of what we've learned. This should all be a review for you because we've done this periodically throughout the entire year. We even had activities where we had to write out words and we had competitions and all of it. So I want you to be able to refer back to this. This whole thing should be reviewed for you. So we talked first about notes that go on lines. And when they go on a line, that means that the line goes through your note. There's a note and the line goes right through it. Even if you color it in, it's still on the line. So when we talk about notes on the line, we use the sentence. I'm going to write it over here for you. We use the sentence, every good boy does fine. Okay? Every good boy does fine. Okay? If you want to use the sentence, every good boy deserves fudge, that is fine. If you want to use empty garbage before dad flips, that is fine too. So we are going to take the first letter of every word and we are going to put it on the staff from the bottom to the top. So we have every good boy does fine. Okay? So that means that you follow this note. Everyone knows that I like to use a lot of colors. I always switch my colors around. Here is your sentence, over here, over here. And we look here, we go every good, we follow it back. Here's the note G. So this note is a G. If I were to take a note and put it here like this, we could put every good boy does. You know that is the note D. Likewise, if you labeled it, you follow it back, and it is a D. Okay? Last one we're going to do today is this one up here. Okay, I could color it in. It doesn't change the letter of the note. Every good boy does fine. This is an F. I can follow it back, circle it. It is an F. Moving on. Then we talked about notes that are in spaces. Okay, so if I put a note like this, then there's a note that goes above it, the line that goes above it, there's a line that goes below it. It's kind of floating. That is considered to be in the space. Okay, and when you have a note in a space, you are going to use the word face. Again, from the bottom to the top. We are going to use the word face. Okay? So I'm going to label it here, F-A-C-E. It's a little messy, but you get the idea. And that makes that this one is a C. Okay? Then I might have another note I'm going to put on the staff, and it is like over here. It can be colored in, it doesn't matter. And you know that that is an F. If I put a note over here, F-A-C-E, that is an E. So when you are looking at your notes and you are doing the activity, the game that is on your Google Classroom or on the Yonkers page, the first question you are going to ask yourself, is it my note on a line or a space? If it's on a line, you know you're working with the sentence. If it is in a space, you know you're working with face. And that's how you are going to decide which way to figure out your notes. Okay? There is an activity, like a video game for you to do. There is also a worksheet for you to complete, really quick and easy. You submit it to me. You can either email it to me or send it to me on my Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll be happy to help you. Good luck. Have fun.